What's up, team? What's up, team? It's Tuesday morning, the 26th of November, and we're back in the markets again. We're about to check out on the current setups and see if we can find any nice setups that we can benefit from. With Trump being back, we probably expecting to be seeing more volatility on the markets and more setups every single day. So today we're gonna start by taking a look at GBP NZD, but as you already know, before we start up, we gotta check out the news. Because the news, they usually play a big role on the market and they usually affect our setups as well. So, okay, so today we have 7 p.m. CB consumer confidence. Let me dodge this here so you guys can see. Okay, 7 p.m. CB consumer confidence and 11 p.m. FOMC. Okay, so we need to be looking for the candles around these timings. I think the one we have to worry about is the 11 p.m. one, perhaps 7 p.m. Yeah. All right then. Let us go straight to the charts now that we know the current news we'll be expecting today. All right. So we start with GBP NZD. Okay, GBP NZD appears to be chopping a lot, and but we can still see the levels. This one is a bit complicated, but we can still see the levels on GBP NZD because we can say that this is the peak. Let me just do this from my point of view. From my point of view. Yeah. I hate how this thing has been chopping, man. We have one, we have two, or some people could also argue and say uh something like this, which is making a lot of sense now that I look at it. Yeah, it's making a lot of sense. Yeah. Okay, so basically, okay, but now we have an issue up there now. This is crazy. Okay, let's go to the H4. Yeah. So this would be the peak formation high. This is why it's so important for you to check out other time frames as well, so that you can see the bigger picture. Given that if you're only checking on the small time frames, you can just see the current price, and it's easy for you to get distracted. And the next thing you might find yourself asking yourself, like, why didn't my setup work? All the confirmations were there, but no, you probably went wrong somewhere. So this is why it's important to always double check and make sure, right? So let me do this. So on the bigger picture, we have a peak formation high. We have drop level one consolidation. We have drop level three, level two, sorry. And then we have dropped to level three consolidation. Wow, I should have looked at this earlier. So we got one, two, three. And first thing we have to do is definitely save this GBP NZD. Come on, GBP. What do you have for us today? Sorry, I'm a bit excited today. Bit excited. Okay. So as we can see, price has been dropping. Let me just do this so I can show you guys better. As you can see, price has been dropping. It dropped from here. This is the M formation, the peak high. Because we can even count here if you guys see. We count here, we have level one, right? And we have level two. All these are consolidations. So the bigger picture, you see, because price went up here, rejected this area, came down, consolidated, and then it broke, meaning that this was level one. After breaking level one, price came here, gave us also a big rejection, and it consolidated, then it broke again, which means this is level one, level two, and this is level three. I think I need to save this up again. Right. One, two, three to the downside. So currently, as we can see, it's a bit choppy, but our job is to remove all the noise and only concentrate on what we can see, right? You can see that we're definitely on a downtrend. One, two, and three to the downside. It is clear that we are on a downtrend because we are making lower highs and lower lows, right? From this point on, what we started dropping, we're on a downtrend. So it's important for us to trade with the trend, given that this is going to really help us. Because trading is all about it's a game of probabilities. So we have to be able to identify the trade with the most probabilities of working. This is why you really have to invest time studying the markets and identifying patterns so that you can train your brain, you can train your mind to, and your eyes to be able to just see this with your naked eyes. It takes time, but it is possible, guys. Okay. One, two, three. All right, now we know what's going on the bigger picture. I don't think this, I don't think this will be okay. Right, one, two, three. So on GBP NZD, since we're on level three, what I'd like to see is for price to come somewhere around this area here. Price come around somewhere around this area and give us at least some sort of rejection. It can be even here, but the more down it comes, the better. Because if price does this, and then we can enter to the upside on GBP NZD. I actually like this. Let me put it in front. Okay, just a second. All right. Now let's go to the smaller time frame. Now that we know the direction that we want to trade, okay, we usually don't like to see the Asian exceed 50 pips. However, in this case, it's fine. What we're gonna do is whenever you see the Asian session exceed 50 pips, what you do is you just have to box in the last consolidation like this. Should I make it yellow or should I make it red? Okay. Now let me make a different color so that we can see it clearly. Okay. Let me copy this. Yeah. I think the ADR are low already, putting the low as well. Okay, so we got the last consolidation. So my expectation now is for them to, if they give me some sort of fake move to the downside, it can be maybe, it can be in London or the beginning of the New York session. Yeah, if they give me some sort of fake move to the downside to trap traders, right? Most traders, they're probably going to be like, our price is going to drop. So if they give me some fake move to the downside and a rejection with a TDI confirmation as well, yeah, I think I would definitely enter on GBP NZD if they give us some sort of rejection here, because on the bigger time frame, we can literally tell that we are on level three. And also, this is a strong point of reversal. I don't usually use support and resistance, but at times as well, we can see how many times price literally rejected this whole area here. So it's safe to assume that this is a strong area, right? This is a strong support area. Because price came, bam, 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 failed. Same thing here, bam, failed, bam, failed. So this could be a head and shoulder, right? This could be a head and shoulder as well. Because if you really look at it, let me zoom in a little bit for you guys. Let me make this blue. Okay. Yeah, this could also be a head and shoulder pattern. Yeah, yeah. Let me look at it. You see now, yeah? This is the neckline here of the head and shoulders. Yeah, Yeah, it's looking pretty clear, but we won't just jump in without proper confirmation because we need proper confirmation to enter every trade. Okay. This could also be a head and shoulder, head, and if it comes somewhere down here, rejects, make another shoulder, then boom to the upside. First target could be the neckline of the head and shoulder. Yeah, it's making sense. Yeah, let's see what's going to happen on GBP and USD, GBP and ZD. Now let us take a look on Euro USD. Euro USD yesterday, as we made a prediction, we did say that price dropped three times, three levels. We made a prediction that price was going to rise, and as planned, price came, rose. It actually gave us an entry, a second W pattern, because obviously we had a fake move to the downside, trap traders up. Then later on, almost the beginning, at the end of London, you can see here that they gave us a W formation, pin to the 200 EMA, one, two, bam. So basically on this trade, your entry would be here, right? We can even see even on TDI as well. Here on TDI, you can see as well. This is a type of trade that I would like to take. Yeah, here we got the W formation, two pins on the 200 EMA, bam. So basically on this trade, your stop loss would be below this. How many pips is this? Yeah, so it would be about 12 pips, and your TP would be okay, 12 times 3. We could say 1:3. You could aim for 30 pips or 35, 40 pips. Yeah, could have been good still. Yeah. Or 1:1, which would be 24 pips. But I prefer to take trades that are at least a minimum of 1:2, right? Yeah. So at least we could say around 36 pips. We could have collected along 36 pips on this trade over here. So what's really going on today on Euro USD? Right, Euro USD, we saw three levels of drop. At first, let me actually zoom out so you can see what's really going on. Okay. On Euro USD, we had a reset over here. That was last week. Then we still three levels of drop. Price went up. So usually what happens now is there are two things we can expect. So this could be level one, or this could be another reset like this one. Personally, I would like it to be another reset like this one, given that we have the 200 EMA up here. So I would actually like Euro USD to come up here and reject this area here, and we continue to the downside. Yeah. And then I could just mark this. This would have been, this would be like a beautiful end pattern. Yeah. Yeah, this will be proper. This will be proper. Let me save it. Only if I see exactly what I want to happen, that's only when I'm going to take the trade. If I don't see it, I don't take any trade. That's how picky you should be. Because we're not in this business to lose money, but we're in this business to make money. So you gotta be very picky about the trades you take. And you gotta be highly selective as well. Okay. I think that's about it for today. This is my view on Euro USD. I would like to see a reset because we also have the 800 EMA on the 15 minutes. GBP and ZD, I would like to see it come down here. This thing is, I don't like a lot of noise. I already have a lot of things on my charts. So right now I try to make it as simple as I can. Right. So now it's up to us to wait to see and get the candle confirmation, the reversal confirmations and everything else, guys. So yeah, that's about it for today. And for all those who are trying to get the system, once again, I'll be giving 4 months free access even on this Black Friday so that you can benefit from it before you even choose to purchase it. You can get it for free for 4 months, and then afterwards you can choose whether you want to purchase or not. So for all those who want to acquire it, I'll share with you down on the description. You'll find my Telegram, and I'll probably put my email there as well so that you guys can just get in touch with me directly, and I'll walk you through the process. The only requirement is that you must be able to fund your personal trading account a minimum of $500 to $1,000 so that the system can trade with enough margin. And then yeah, that's about it. You can start earning starting within the next couple hours, honestly. And this is one of the best things ever because given that it's for both professionals and also those who don't have any knowledge from the markets, they can also benefit from the same system. So okay, guys,